Hi guys, I hope you are having a great day, a great Sunday. So today I'm going to guide you on how to create an email account. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create a Google email account. So stay tuned. Let's go. You open your browser on gmail.com. So on this page, accounts, on these links, accounts.google.com, it will open this window. Then you come here, create account. You click on it. Then you're gonna open up this option for you. Is the account for yourself, for a child, or for a business? So you choose the option that is right for you. I'll go to this one here. So you put your name down there. Let's say Paulo The last name, it says optional, so it's up to you if you want to put the last name there as well. Then you press next. Then you put your month, the day you were born, and the year you were born. So I'll just put April 5th, 1980. Then you can choose your gender. Then you press next. So after that, it will show you the profile that are available, or the names that are available that you can choose from, or you can choose to create your own Gmail address. So I'll go ahead and choose my own. I choose Paulo.Ross. Then next. It's telling me that this username is taken, so I will have to choose another one. Let me see. Wow, it's also taken, huh? Okay, it accepted that. Then after here, to ask you to choose your password. My computer already selects or suggests its passwords for me, and I'll just go ahead and choose this one. In your case, you can choose your own password here, then you confirm down here and you press next. Then we'll ask you for your phone number. Then press next. So it's saying enter the 6-digit codes or 6-digit verification code to confirm you got the text message. So I'll have to go to my phone and check the code that I received from Google. 604199 and press next. Sorry. 604. Oh, I mistyped the numbers, so it's 604199. Then press next. Then it asks me to add a recovery email, the address where Google can contact you if there is unusual activity in your account or if you get locked out. So I can choose to skip this. It's up to you. I'll skip this. And it's asking me to add my phone number as well. I can also skip it, but in your case you can choose next, but I will skip it. Voila, there is my new Gmail account. Then you need to write it down on a paper. You also need to write down your password on a paper so that you don't forget. Then you press next. Then these are just privacy and terms of use. You can just quickly scroll down and agree. Then you confirm. After you confirm, and voila, this is your account, your brand new Gmail account. Thank you for watching. It's that quick and easy. So if you have any question, please put that on the comments down below. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and families and neighbors. And thank you for supporting this channel. See you next time. God bless you.